The second part of the question, can you invest for a short time? For a few hours, for a day, for a week, and I'm expert, I'm not gambling because I am doing a calculation. See, when you buy shares, is actually you are becoming a shareholder. I'm asking a simple question with all the calculation. Will you physically be a partner, not shares, physically be a partner of a business only for 1 hour? And the answer is no. Will you, with all your calculation, will you say, okay, I want to be a partner for 1 hour? No, you cannot. Physically, if you say that I want to share and become a partner for a day, would you become of a company? No, you cannot. So stock exchange gives us easy flexibility to buy shares, but that does not mean you should gamble. If it's done for a short period, intentionally that I will sell it when it goes off, and you keep it for a few hours or for a day or a few days, it tantamount to gambling. If it's done unintentionally that you want to keep it for a few years and then you realize something market has crashed and then you want to sell it, that's acceptable. But from first you plan that you're going to sell it as soon as it increases, even if it's a few hours and all, this is speculation and this is not permitted in Islam. So you can involve in stock if it's a halal stock, halal share, but don't speculate, don't do it for few hours, keep it for a long term.